Welcome back to this video. If you use Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to free up storage space on your Android phone by deleting some of the unnecessary files in your recycle bin on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Phone Master on your Android phone. You can make use of search right here and type in Phone Master, just like what you see right here. Make sure you look for it. And once you see it, simply click on Phone Master. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Storage Clean. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. Right here, I have 7.18 gigabytes in trash. What we want to do is to simply click on trash right here. So you have all the files that you have. So it's going to display right here, just like what you see right here. So these are all the files that you have in your recycle bin, and you need to delete them one after the other in order to free up storage space on your Android phone. Now you can review and see some of the files you would like to delete. So like for me right here, I'm going to simply click on here to select all these files right here. So I'm going to simply scroll down and select this. I'm going to scroll down and select all these. Scroll down and select all these. Then I'm going to scroll down and select all these. Scroll down, select all these, and all these, and all these. This. So you can select as many as possible. So you can see it right here. So scroll down. I have a lot of file right here. So everything depends on how you are deleting file on your Android phone. So having select all the file, next thing we want to do is to simply click on delete right here. Then delete selected images. This action cannot be undo. Items will be deleted permanently. So you need to be sure of the file that you want to delete. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on delete right here. So it's as simple as that. So by deleting as many as possible files on your recycle bin, you are saving a lot of storage space on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.